I'm Vidya. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make these super duper easy paper quilling earrings and pendant. They are so easy. So if you have just started paper quilling, then this can be a great first exercise for you. Also, if you're new to my channel, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell for all the future videos. So without wasting any time, let's jump onto the tutorial.
To make those earrings, we'll need some paper quilling strips. I've taken some light and dark blue shades, but you can take any color of your choice. I'm going to glue two light blue strips to form one long strip, and I'm going to coil it on around 1 to 2 centimeters diameter of a bottle. I'm going to stick the first bit, and then it's pretty easy to coil. I'm going to coil it like so, and then I'm going to pull it to form a tight coil. Once a tight coil is formed, I'm going to glue the last bit. And now I'm going to press this piece on the opposite ends like so. So it forms like a square, and I'm going to seal it using glue. Now I've taken a light blue strip and a dark blue strip, and I have cut it into half. And I'm going to stick that half light blue to half of the dark blue strip. So now we have one whole dual color strip. And we'll need 4 such strips for one earring. Now using a quilling needle, I'm going to roll it into a tight coil. And I'm going to start with the light blue strip, because I want light blue to be the inside of that coil and dark blue to be the outside of the coil. And I'm going to seal the end using glue. And that's how our coil looks. And I'm going to do the same for the remaining 3 strips as well. Now I've taken a dark blue strip, I've cut it into half, and I've taken a light blue strip and I've cut that as well into half. Now I'm going to form one long strip using dark, light and then dark blue strips. And while I do this, you guys go and subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. Now using a quilling needle, I'm going to again roll this into a tight coil. This coil is going to be bigger than the other 4 coils that we have made. And I'm going to seal the end using glue again, and that's how our coil is going to look. Now we will need one more such coil. Now on that square quilling piece, on one of the sides, I'm going to stick 2 smaller coils. And on the opposite side to that, I'm going to stick 2 smaller coils again. Now the bigger one goes in between the 2 smaller coils, like so. And we'll need 3 such pieces. Now for the earring, I'm going to insert a jump ring in one of those bigger coils, and I'm going to insert a earring finding in that jump ring. How beautiful! And now for the necklace, I'm going to insert a jump ring in that bigger coil, and I'm going to insert the chain through that jump ring. And our super cute paper quilling earrings and necklace set is ready.
So friends, if you have liked this video, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell for all the future videos. I'll see you soon. Bye.